Understanding German Verb Conjugation. Welcome to our Learn German for Beginners video series. In our last lesson, we delved into basic sentence structure. Today, we're exploring the intricate relationship between subjects and verbs in German. Pronouns: ich, du, plus sie. Let's start by revisiting the pronouns we've covered previously: ich for the first person, and du plus sie for the second person. These pronouns play a crucial role in constructing sentences. Verb conjugation, a closer look. Now, let's focus on verb conjugation, a key aspect of German grammar. We'll analyze three sentences: Ich wohne in Berlin, du sprichst Deutsch, and zu Haus sind wir. Notice the variations in verb endings, e, street, and n. These endings depend on the subject of the sentence. Conjugation examples: 1. Wohnen to live. Infinitive, wohnen. Conjugation: wohn, du wohnst, sie wohnen. 2. Kommen to come. Infinitive, kommen. Conjugation: ich komm, du kommst, sie kommen. 3. Hein to be called. Infinitive, hein. Conjugation: ich heiße, du heißt, sie hein. 4. Sprechen to speak. Infinitive, sprechen. Conjugation: ich sprech, du sprichst, sie sprechen. Irregular verbs. Be aware of irregular verbs, like hein, where the conjugation doesn't follow the typical pattern. For instance, du heißt deviates by dropping the es. Exercise. Now, let's apply what we've learned. Try conjugating the verbs in the following sentence. 1. Ich in Paris. Verb, wohnen. 2. Zu Haus sind wir. Verb, sein. 3. Du Deutsch. Verb, sprechen. Your answers should be wohn, sind, and sprichst. Summary. In summary, here's what we covered. German has various pronouns, including ich, du, and sie. Verb conjugation depends on the subject: e for ich, street for du, and n for sie. Irregular verbs, like hein, follow unique conjugation rules. Conclusion. Dank for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more content. Click the bell icon to receive notifications. For questions or comments, leave them below. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Until next time.